Good morning, students. I'm Purnima, and once again, I welcome you to my English class. And children, we were doing the video. In the video, we were discussing the lesson. In my previous video, children, we were discussing the lesson, a short monsoon diary. So, children, this is a diary. I told you. So, first of all, children, what is a diary? We write personal feeling. We write very our expressions. We can share our expression. We write personal feeling in our diary. And one diary I've told you that the diary of a young girl is worth studying. Okay, I think we must all study that novel, The Diary of a Young Girl. Okay. Now, children, a writer is there, and the name of that writer is Ruskin Bond. He is a very famous writer, and children, he loves the nature and he enjoys the miracle of nature. So he lives in Missouri. Missouri is a very famous place where people go there in summer to enjoy that the beautiful landscape and the cold season there. So children, Ruskin Bond here, he has written a diary. Date wise, he is writing a diary, children, because in diary, children, I think you all know that day and date is very necessary to write in the diary. So he has written the diary, and children, he has described that how was the condition become and how was the weather become during the time of June in Missouri. Though people come to enjoy there, but they comes in their own risk. They come at their own risk. The weather is not there, especially during the time of monsoon. Children, it covers the whole mist, cover the mountain, and we cannot see any natural beauty. Even the birds and the insects, they go inside. There is a complete silence maintained during the time of children monsoon season. And before monsoon, children, what happened? They go there before monsoon. What happened? They enter. Okay, they he children, before monsoon, he can see that a mist is formed. Okay, and it surrounds everything. It can be seen everything. It conceals mountain, it conceals everything. All, nobody can see, only the people can hear voices, that's all. Nobody can see anything. And he feels very bad at that time. He feels very sad at that time. In fact, the moment he sees children fog, he feels that it is a very gloomy, it's a very melancholy note he can see when he see the mist. He feels the mist is really very saddening. So children, here he has told you. Now children, he has started writing the diary from January 24, and children, he is writing, he had written in his diary that January 24th was the first day of monsoon mist. The mist was saddening, it concealed the hills and spread silence. And children, he is telling the whole mist was saddening. For him, the mist was always saddening. It concealed the hills and spread silence. So, children, what is the meaning of concealed? Concealed means to hide something. Okay, concealed means to hide. So he is telling that he has concealed the mist and spread silence. The bird stopped singing suddenly. And children, due to that mist, even the not only children, nobody can enjoy the beautiful landscape and the beautiful scene of nature. Even the bird has stopped singing. Even they have stopped singing suddenly. Now children, the other date of which he is telling that after June 24 was the first date given to him. Now children, he is talking that what happened there at June 25. June 25 brought early monsoon rain. So children, what happened? June 25 brought early monsoon rain. It became warm and humid. And children, it became warm and humid. The mist afforded some privacy also. And children, due to the mist, the privacy was maintained. Why the due to mist the privacy was maintained, student? Because children, mist, nobody can see. When you will see, when the mist is there, and when you will stand and wanted to see something what is there at the other side, at the other end, you cannot see. if the mist is very strong, if the mist is very, what to say, dense, we cannot see anything. And that is, and children, if we cannot see anything, that means we are maintaining a privacy. Why children, house is maintained, why is house is known as that it maintain our privacy, or our room is maintaining our privacy? Because children, nobody can reach to the room, nobody can see what is happening in the room. Okay, what are you doing in the room? You're studying, you're watching TV, you're making a phone call to someone, nobody can see you. Okay, so he is telling the mist has maintained a children, he is telling that the mist has maintained privacy. So he is true, because due to mist, children, he is not able to see. Even the children who are there around his house, he can hear only their voice. They are not visible to him. Now, so children, the most afforded some, yeah, one of the boy children during that time, he rang Mr. Ruskin Bond. He told ki how the beautiful hill station must be looking at this time, and the valleys. So he replied him in one sentence. He said only it could have been a paradise. It could have been a paradise. That means no scene can be seen right now. Why? Because that was the moment, children, the whole Dehradun was covered with, Mussoorie was covered with mist. So how can he, when he is not able to see natural beauty, how can he say others that he can see the natural beauty? So that's why what he told that it could have been a paradise. Okay, it could have been a paradise. So on June 27th, the rain marked the arrival of animals like a leopard and thousands of leeches. Now children, what happened on June 27? Now he is going to tell you. Now children, it was raining. Now children, the rain had started falling, and children, with the coming of the rain, he can see many animals were also, he can see the arrival of animals like leopard and thousands of leeches. So what he can see many animals like leopard and thousands of leeches. The leopard lifted a dog from the servant quarters below the school. So the leopard, he lifted a dog from the servant quarters below the school. Since the rain were there, the insect-eating birds had no dearth of food. So the insects were there. So children, he had not, they were not having any dearth of food. Okay. Now what happened on June 27? I told you the rain marks the arrival of animals like a leopard, and thousands of rains were there. The insect-eating birds had no dearth of food. Okay. All night on August 2. Now children, he is discussing about August 2. The rain drummed on the tin roof. That means children, the rainfall was there, and children, when it was falling on the roof of a house, he was feeling that somebody was drumming, as if somebody was playing a drum. But there was no shower, no thunder, but children, silently only the rain was falling. There was no shower, no thunderstorm was there as he expected it. Now children, he is telling about August 3rd. The rain stopped and the clouds began to break up. Now children, children, June 24 was the day when he started writing, and now is August 3, when the rain stopped and the cloud began to break up. The song of the whistling thrush emerged. Now children, at that time, whistling thrush is a type of bird. She started singing song. Now what happened in August 12? There was endless rain and permanent mist. The writer had nowhere to go. He only looked out of the window. So on August 13, on August 12, the weather has become more worse. Okay, he was There was endless rain and permanent mist. The writer had nowhere to go. He only looked out of the window. By October 3, the monsoon rain made way for winter rain and snow at higher altitudes. A hailstorm in the evening hit the place. It enveloped the house. Envelope means to cover. Here, what is the meaning of envelope? Here, to cover. Okay, so the whole mist was covering his house also. Of course, the whole weather, everywhere, the scene of nature, mountain, everything was covered. Okay. On August 31, snakes and rodents rushed out of their flooded holes. They took shelter on roofs and godowns. The grandmother told the children not to kill the chuchundar because they were lucky and brought money. Now, many children, they were killing chuchundar. So it was grandmother who told them not to kill the chuchundar. Okay, the writer was quite alone in the house. He heard only the rhythm of rain. It enveloped the house. By March end, the winter season also ended up. Mussoorie had black clouds over it. It hailed for half an hour. When it cleared the sky, a rainbow was formed across it. So children, I have told you all the important points here. And now children, I was explaining, I was here on page number children 114. Okay, and we were doing June 27. What happened on June 27? So please please see your books at page number 114 and June 27. Okay, the rain have heralded the arrival of some seasonal visitor. Children, the rain have heralded. So heralded means announced. So what were those heralded visitor? What was those? Who has announced those visitor? It was Ruskin Bond himself. He told that during this time, what happened? Some of the visitors can be seen. Okay. So who are the visitors here? The visitors here are leopard. Okay. Leeches are there. Leopards are there. And children, leeches are not one or two. It is more than 1,000. A great leeches were there. Yesterday afternoon, the leopard lifted a dog from near the servant quarters below the school. In the evening, it attacked one of Biju's cows but fled at the approach of Biju's mother. Now, children, writer is telling that yesterday afternoon, the leopard was seen and he wanted to take a dog from a certain quarter from near the servant quarter below the school. In the evening, he attacked one of Biju's cow also, but fled at the approach of Biju's mother. She started cursing so loudly. She started shouting that the leopard he went back, and Biju mother, who came screaming imprecations. Imprecations means curses. Imprecations means curses. Okay, so Biju mother, she not only shouted at the in fact children, she was not able to see, she could only guess, but when the leopard came near, then when she saw him, she started cursing him. And children, she was so annoyed that she not only shouted but started cursing the tiger, and that is the reason he went back to the house. Now, other new arrivals are the scarlet. Yes. Now, children, that he was leopard was so brave that in the evening also he came there. Okay, he wanted to eat one of the Biju's cows, but due to the mother, the cows were saved. As for the leeches, I shall soon get to a little bloodletting every day. Now children, what are leeches? I told you children, leeches were used to remove blood Children, leeches are those insects which suck blood from human body and from the body of cow. Children, in the ancient period when the blood was not purified, or if some disease used to be there related with blood, so children, what the doctor used to do at that time, they used to put leeches on the human skin, and it used the bad blood which was there, or the infected blood which was there inside the body of the patient. So children, the leeches, so writer is telling that he is not so scared of leeches as he was scared of that leopard, and he can manage those leeches. Now children, leeches also you can remove in certain way. You cannot, the leeches generally, if it is stick to the body, it never comes out very soon. You have to pull it out in a very hard manner, then only it will be out from your body. So he is telling that for leeches I shall soon get used to a little bloodletting every day. Other new arrivals are the scarlet mini-wits. Now children, scarlet mini birds, they are scarlet mini-wits are the type of birds, and children, they are generally of red color and yellow color. Okay, and they shouts a lot. So apart from the leeches, what he had seen scarlet mini birds. Scarlet mini birds are there. Okay, they are like cuckoo. The females are yellow, fitting silently among the leaves like brilliant jewel. And children, they, when so many yellow birds will sit in a tree, in a green tree, in such a manner that it looks like the tree is also putting some jewelries. No matter how leafy the tree, these brightly colored birds cannot conceal themselves. Although by remaining absolutely silent, they sometimes contrive to go unnoticed. Now children, they, the female and the male, they are of separate color. So he is telling that when the birds sit on a tree, it looks beautiful, it looks as if some jewelries are there. And children, by they remain absolutely silent. Absolutely is totally. So children, you can see the meaning of absolutely. I've written it is totally. The meaning of absolutely is totally. Other new arrivals are the scarlet miniverts. The females are yellow, fitting silently among the leaves like brilliant jewels. So children, it is the females who are of yellow color, and they sit in the tree in a very nice manner. No matter how leafy the tree, these brightly colored birds cannot conceal themselves, although by remaining absolutely silent, they sometimes contrive to go unnoticed. Children, the meaning of contrive is unnoticed. The meaning of contrive is unnoticed. Alone come a pair of broncos, unnecessarily aggressive, chasing the miniverts away. So children, this was the condition. A tree creeper moves rapidly up the trunk of the oak tree. Now children, now the writer is telling about the creeper tree who is moving with the help from the trunk tree, snapping up insect all the way. Now that the rains are here, there is no dearth of food for the insectivorous animals. Okay, so children, we had completed the first part of the lesson, and we can discuss some of the question answer also. Okay, why is the author not able to see Biju? The author could not see Biju because of the mist that concealed the hills, and he could only hear his voice but could not see him. So he can only hear him but he could not see him. When the mist come up, it covers the hill and spread silence. Okay, why are the two ways in which the hill appear to change when the mist come up? When the mist come up, it covers the hill and spread silence. Now, when does the monsoon season begins and when does it end? The monsoon season in Mussoorie, children. So this answer we can do, children, afterward, after completing the second part of the lesson. So we are here now at the second part of the lesson, and I hope you are enjoying, children. Though the lesson is in the form of diary, but then, children, we are having a lot of knowledge of this one. Okay, so let's start reading the second part. All night the rain has been drumming on the corrugated tin roof. Okay, so we are here at page number 1, and you can, corrugated means, children, grooved. The meaning of corrugated. The meaning of corrugated is it is grooved. Okay. So the drumming on the corrugated tin roof. There has been no storm, no thunder, just the steady swish of a tropical downpour. So, children, drumming is falling with a noise. What is the meaning of drumming? Children, drumming means falling with a noise. So he is telling, um, there has been no storm, no thunder, just the steady swish of a tropical downpour. So the meaning of steady is slow but continuous. Slow but continuous. Now, at the same time, it doesn't keep me from sleeping. Now, children, it was raining in such a manner that the whole roof was drumming. So, children, it was difficult for a writer to sleep. It was very difficult for a writer to sleep. It is a good sound to read the rain outside. Now, children, so children, he was not able to sleep. He started reading it, the rain outside, the quiet within, and although tin roofs are given to springing unaccountable leaves, the and although tin roofs are given to spring unaccountable leaves, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. So, unaccountable means, children, irresponsible, and leaks is falling water through small holes. There is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. So, children, people sleep inside. They think, even he was sleeping, he thinks that the rain will not touch him. He is protected from the rain. But some of the children drop was falling from the train roof. So, children, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. Now, children, what happened to the writer on August 3? The rain stopped. On August 3, what happened? The rain, it stopped. The clouds begin to break up. The sun strikes the hill on my left. A woman is chopping up sticks. So the children, on August 3, what happened? The rain stopped suddenly. The rain stopped suddenly. Okay. A woman is chopping up sticks. I hear the tinkle of cowbells. Now, children, he is describing the scene there. He is telling that a woman is chopping up sticks, and I hear the tinkling of cowbells in the oak tree. Now, children, the cow must have tied there, and he can hear the tinkling of the cowbells. A crow shakes the raindrops from his feather. And children, a crow is there, so he is moving, he is shaking his feather, so that because he also got wet from the raindrops. And children, and caws disconsolately. And children, what is the meaning of disconsolately? Disconsolately means unhappily. Disconsolately means unhappily. Okay, so a crow is there, he got wet, and children, he is very unhappy. Water drips from a leaking drain pipe. Water drip, drip means fall. So here, what is the meaning of water dripping? Water dripping is water falling. And suddenly, clean and pure, the song of the whistling thrush emerges like a dark sweet secret from the depth of the ravine. Ravine is valley. Okay. So disconsolately means unhappy, and children, here what is the other word? Ravine. Ravine means valley. Ravine means valley. So what happened, children? On August 3rd, the cloud begins to break up. The sun strikes the hills. Okay, from the left side, he can see the beautiful sunlight. Okay, it was striking the hill. The whole valley was looking very beautiful. The writer can hear the tinkles of the cow bells. A lady she was chopping the sticks. And children, the crow got here very wet. He was cawing unhappily, and water drips from a leaking drain pipe. And children, water was dripping from a leaking drain pipe. And suddenly, clean and pure, the song of the whistling thrush emerges like a dark sweet secret from the depth of the ravine. So children, ravine here means valley, which I have written on the board. And children, what is the meaning of cow bells? The bell which we put around the cow. Okay, with the help of the rope, a bell is hung, and whenever the cow shakes its neck, we can hear the tinkling of the bell. Now, what happened on August 12th? Endless rain and a permanent mist. Lot of rainfall was there. Okay, and a permanent mist. We haven't seen the sun for 8 or 9 days. They haven't seen the sun for 8 or 9 days. Everything damp and soggy. Okay, everything was damp and soggy. So, soggy means, children, damp and muddy. So, what is the meaning of soggy? Damp and muddy. What is the meaning of soggy, children? Damp and muddy. Now where to go? Pace the room, look out of the window at a few hobbling umbrellas. So they were looking at the window at few hobbling umbrellas. Umbrella is moving, bobbling is moving up and down. Children, when we carry the umbrella like this and when we walk, the umbrella also moves. It keeps on bobbling. Bobbling means it keeps on moving up and down. At least it is not cold rain. Now children, at that time, maybe due to the sunfall, children, he was not feeling cold. The warmth was there today. The hill sides are lush as late monsoon flowers begin to appear. So the hillside, children, they are lush. Okay, lush as late monsoon flowers begin to appear. And children, you can see in the picture also of your book, the beautiful flower started to appear. Like children, now children, he is in the last of this paragraph, he is telling about the names of some of the flowers, like wild balsam. Then children, dahlia you can also see in Varanasi, lot of dahlia will be there in the winter season. Then begonias, nice flower, beautiful flower. Begonia is telling about begonia, and ground orchid. Now children, he is telling something about ground orchid also. Okay, so in this way children, the writer has discussed about the diary. Okay, he is telling a lot of things about that he has written in the diary, and he is sharing with us. With this I completed my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead, student.